people from different points, and I'm happy that the Honorable is here as well. It makes it easier when we write the letter. We want pick-up points from the rest of Windhoek to make sure we bus people there, we bus them back. We will only charge $50 for standard tickets. We will then have, when you're in the Independence Stadium, you see when you're in the VVIP area, you have your two sides with the yellow seats. Those will be our two VIP areas, and we will charge $500 million for VIP. That obviously comes with refreshment and something to eat. And then we will have the VVIP guests, which will be invited guests, and we will each, of course, ask each invited guest to make a contribution of $2,000 million, irrespective of who they are. Whether they are from the NFA, whether they are from the ministry, whether it is the minister, we will say, please make a contribution of $2,000 million. Not for the city, but for the fact that you're coming here to support. So, there's three things that we're asking from the nation. The first one is we're asking all the African Star supporters to come out in their numbers. Nobody must be at home, please. Then we are asking all the Chula Chula fans to come out. And the third request is all Namibians. Because you're not just coming for African Stars in Chula Chula, you're coming to pledge your support to the team. The team is going to be there as well. You're pledging your support to the team, and therefore this will be the last event in terms of sending off the team to Francis Town, Botswana.